everyone, Sunny here. So I'm gonna try Filipino breakfast this morning over here at Queensboro, New Westminster. It's called Epic Grills. Over here, very popular, recommended by a lot of people. So I'm gonna here try some breakfast here this morning. All right, let's go. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up, like, and ring the bell. Smash the subscribe button so you won't miss any exciting and wonderful future videos. Sunny here. So I just sat down here Saturday morning around 9:30. It's packed full. Recommended by the owner to do a combo. So I did a combo 1. So I picked, or he recommended, the beef, the tap slot. And also the pork belly, crispy pork belly. It's called the Richmond slot. So see how it is. Should be good. And he recommended me to try their lemonade. So, all right. So we'll see how it is. All right. Gave me this lemonade. Let me try this. Very lemony. It's good. Very lemony. Actually, not too sour. It's not too bad. So I guess they're famous for this. Homemade lemonade. Very good. So there's a lot of history here in this restaurant. Originally from Winnipeg. They did a restaurant, Epic Grill, there for 5 years. And they move on to Yellowknife up north for 5 years, and then they move down here at this location now at Queensboro, US, 6 years now, and it's very popular for the Filipino community. Recommended by my Filipino friends. We'll see how it goes. Have their own, I think it's hot sauce or sweet sauce. I'm not even sure what it is. We'll try that. Their own brand, Epic. So, just got my combo 1. So I got the beef tap slog, and the other one is the lechon slot, pork belly. See how it is? Pork belly, nice roasted. It's crispy, I can tell. Very crispy. Yeah, it's more of a sweet sauce here. The pork belly is crispy. Very, very tasty. There's fat to it, which is good, so the meat won't be that dry. It's almost like a Chinese roasted pork. We got the beef here, the tap slot. So, not sure what this brown sauce here is. It's kind of fruity flavor. I don't know. Am I supposed to dip this in the beef? Very flavorful beef. Not tough, not too much meat to it. It's grilled nicely. I like it. Okay, I was just corrected. I got my sauce back. This brown sauce here is for my pork. Okay. And this kind of sweetness sauce here is for my beef. I was dipping on the opposite. The sauce tastes good. I like it. So I got my eggs too. I got the sunny side up, 2 of them, and some rice. So there's the rice. It's a little bit different. Not your normal Chinese rice style cooking, steam. I think they marinate or something, I'm not really sure. It's a good experience. A little bit different. I'm not really knowledgeable in Filipino food. Probably the second, third time I'm eating this Filipino food, so it's good. It's a friendly neighborhood restaurant, packed full. It's packed now. It's 10 o'clock. It's packed. Community, family run, I believe. Very friendly staff here. So, if you have a chance, come down here. Overall experience, 6 out of 10. I'm just ordering breakfast, so that's all I'm trying. All right. Until we eat again. I hope you enjoy the video. Until we eat again, be peaceful, stay healthy, and share the love.